What kind of company you need?
Where my mama at?
I'm right here. Can you see?
I see a big ass head.
Just know when you come out of this, it's me and you.
You can't whoop me. You can't whoop me if you even try that damn hardest. Damn, I look like your ass.
You
Look.
sure do.
Ooh, I look big as fuck.
You look just like me. What are you doing?
Can you mind your damn business?
What is you doing?
Mind your damn business.
No, I'm trying to mind your business.
I'm good. You don't gotta wait on me. What do you say? I'm good. I'm straight on that. I'm a pimp. I'm a lay on that. You already know.